Today I'll show you how to set price alerts in Robinhood. If you don't want to look at the stock charts all day long, and if you want to know when a particular level triggers and that you immediately get notified when it does, let me show you the steps to do that. So for this, open up the app or the website of Robinhood and then make sure to log into your account. Once you've done that, you'll need to open up a stock where you want to set this price alert. Now once you're inside of a profile of a particular stock, you're going to see the option or the bell icon on the top right of the screen. If you're using a web browser, you're going to see the bell icon right next to the advanced charts option. So just tap on this bell icon. Once you do, there are two sections to this, the price alert or the indicators alert. For this video, we're just going to go through the price alert option. Tap on the add alert button. Now you can add in alerts when the price moves above your desired trigger or when the price moves below it. So if you tap on the above option, it's going to show you the current price, and if you type in any amount of dollars, for example $5, if the price of this particular stock moves $5 above the current price, it's gonna hit your alert and it's gonna send you a signal. So depending upon your strategy of how you trade, if you're trying to sell high, this can be a great opportunity. If the price is overbought and you're trying to short it. Similarly, you can also add in an alert when the price moves below. So like earlier, you can add in a price target. If you add in, for example, $7, when the price moves below $7 from the current price, the alert will hit and you'll get notified. Like I said, depending upon what you do, either you trade pullback strategies or breakout strategies, this price alert can be helpful to you. So that was a video about the way that you set price alerts inside of Robinhood. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.